Good morning. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024. It's getting on 8:25 a.m. Central Time. About the past hour or so, I just saw that South Korea has declared a state of martial law, emergency martial law, as the president thinks the parliament is trying to take the country more towards where North Korea is. A whole mess there. We will see what goes on. A lot more news out of that. Stock market down a bit as the market is awaiting the all-important JOLTS report. Now, that report comes out about 9 o'clock. We did get this morning, though, some news out of the sales, and I was really, really surprised. U.S. retail sales jumped 5.5% in the first 4 weeks of November versus the same thing of November 2023, and retail sales were up 7.4% in the week ended November 30th versus a year ago week. So obviously people are out there and they're doing their Christmas shopping in a major way. We also saw, and I'm seeing early reports, that you set records yesterday on Cyber Monday for sales, up about 6% from the prior numbers. U.S. job opening and labor turnover, that's going to be at 9 o'clock, and that gives us our first look. Is the labor market weakening, staying right where it was, getting stronger? What is going on there? And as you could see, as we were looking at this, the stock market in the past, now just as we're getting into the opening of the stock market itself, is starting to break down a little bit. Gold is up about $15. Probably a little bit it has to do with that with North Korea. On the energy markets, you're up about $1 a barrel. We're going to hear from OPEC later on Thursday and get an idea what they're doing. Not surprised to see the soybeans jump here. I think the $10 range is the near-term target in the Jan beam. When you look at bonds and notes, taking back a little bit of yield. In other words, yields falling a little bit there. And most currencies, as you can see, are up this morning against the dollar, which is down about 30 points at this point. And what the market is saying in so much of this, especially in the euro, that the French situation where the government's probably going to topple. There'll be a no confidence vote later this week, and they're going to have to go into a caretaker government. But the market expected it. So this is what's going on, and now the question is next steps and all that will happen. But that doesn't take away from the bids that you're getting. You're up 8 cents in copper. Something's going on. My guess is it has to do with China. Now today also, China put more sanctions on important metals that they send to the United States. Anything that can now be used that is really a precious metal to them in terms of military use. They took 3 of the metals today and they put them on the sanction list. They can't be sent to the U.S. anymore. So the tits for tats are going on in a major fashion at this point in time. Things you got to watch, all right? I want to remind you that we have our own Cyber Week sale that is coming to an end. It's wrapping up very quickly now. 50% off any of my futures combo packages, my Spider ETF videos, or futures videos. You have to have a 1-year subscription. That's what this is all about. It's open to new and returning subscribers. So hope you take advantage of it. Just go to iraepstein.com under the word research. Everything's there. And when you get there, the default is a monthly purchase. You'll see a tab, hit it to get to the yearly. And then when you put it into your cart to purchase, once you look at your cart when you're in there, you will see the 50% off. Also, you can move your cursor to the top here. It'll take you to the research area. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the trading day. Have a great one. I will speak to you later.